What was the meanest thing I ever said to you?
You wouldn't dare. You never. Fix it na. Hey Dazers, welcome back to another video. We are doing another mother and son tag today, and today we have Imam, my firstborn, who thinks he's too cool for our channel, but a lot of you have asked to have him do a mother and son tag, and so here we are. Are you ready? Alright, so he's gonna ask some questions. I might ask him some questions, but he's going to be doing most of the questioning and I'll answer it to the best of my ability.
What is the funniest thing I ever said or did as a kid?
The funniest thing you ever said or did as a kid? I honestly don't remember. You were very quiet. You've always been very, very quiet. So I don't know. You're not as expressive as Hajia. You're very introverted. So I don't know. Funny thing well, here's a funny story. When you were in kindergarten, you told me that when you grow up, Imam broke my heart when he was in kindergarten. He told me that he wanted to become like Mr. Ali, who was the janitor at our school. He wanted to be like him when he grows up. That was funny and heartbreaking at the same time for a mother. So that was funny, but heartbreaking for me as your mother. Please, I hope your dreams have changed since kindergarten. So yeah, that's our funny story.
What would you have named me if I was the opposite gender?
When I was pregnant with you, I think I wanted to name you, like, if you were a girl, I think some of the names I picked, the top one that I picked was Zubaida.
No.
Zubaida and Marwa.
No.
I like those names, so whatever. You didn't turn out a girl, so what's your problem? Anyway.
When was the first time you heard me curse?
I don't think I heard you curse in real life, but I have definitely seen you put it in text. And I remember the first time I wanted to give it to you, but I mean, I wasn't surprised. I knew you cursed behind my back, but you better not try that in front of me, because you know what will happen. Yeah.
Who's the first person you told that you were pregnant with me?
My mom, of course. Who else would I? I'm pretty sure it was my mom. If not my mom, then it's probably Tahara. I honestly don't remember, but it's most likely my mother. So, yeah.
What are my first words?
Baba. Next.
What was your all-time favorite picture of me?
I love your Kente picture. Do you remember the Kente picture? You were one, I believe. No, not one. Two. You were two. I'll see if I can find it again. If not, if I can find it, I'll show you guys. But he looks so stinking cute in his Kente. And I love that one. I don't know if you remember that one. Kimberly, you were in your jalabia, or though, so stinking cute in that little corner. Yeah, he was so cute as a baby. I don't know what happened. All right, next question.
What made me cry the most when I was little?
Oh my gosh. So Imam was so obsessed, he still is obsessed with TV technology. If you dare switched off the TV, he would cry all day. Like literally all day he would cry. unless if you turn the TV back on. He was so obsessed with TV. Like, he literally sat there like that all the time. And somebody still does. Next question.
Did you ever lose me in the supermarket or anywhere else?
No, never lost you. You were a good boy. You were a good kid. Always stuck with mama. Get in the shot. You're moving away from the shot.
What TV show would I watch every single day?
Now or when you were younger?
Anywhere. I don't know.
Well, when you were little Bill, and I remember we used to say Little Bill, you look like Little Bill. That's the kids show by Bill Cosby. Little Bill. So, yeah, you were so obsessed with that.
What was the meanest thing I ever said to you?
You wouldn't dare. You never... What was the question?
What was the French movie you brought me to the theater to see?
I honestly don't remember.
What song did I listen to on repeat when I was super young?
Oh yeah, Soldier Boy. Yeah. Oh yeah. When you were little, Soldier Boy had just come out with his song, whining woo, and I remember he used to say woo, yeah, woo, yeah. That was like on repeat.
What's the best part about being my mother? Oh yeah.
Is that what it said?
Yeah.
Well, the best part about being your mother is that you're very respectful. Get in the shot. The thing I love about you is that you're very respectful. I mean, nobody's perfect. You're not perfect, but you're very respectful. I love the fact that I have never once heard from anyone that you were very disrespectful, as in like talk back to them or anything like that. And I want you to know that I really appreciate that, and I want you to stay like that. You're going to high school next year. Don't try to fit in with the crowd. You don't need to conform to anything. Just be who you are. Don't talk back to any adult. You know you can never talk back to me. So don't you dare try to talk to any adult. Your teacher, if it's a teacher, if it's any school staff, it could be the janitor. Just be respectful to anyone and everyone. Anyone, it could be some homeless person on the street. Be respectful, because that will come back to you. Never disrespect anyone, right? And I really appreciate that you're very respectful. You never disrespect anyone. You never talk back or give attitude. That's what I love about you.
Was I a fast learner or slow learner than everyone else in the class?
Let's just say you took your time.
What is the best drawing I ever made for you?
Stick figures. You never liked to draw, and when you did, it was just stick figures of me and you and the stick figure house. So,
is there anything about our family history you keep a secret?
Yeah. Would I tell you? No.
Why?
Would it be a secret anymore? Huh?
I don't know.
All right, get in the shot. You're moving away. Like, are you scared of me or what? Am I gonna bite?
Are you happy the way I turned out?
Yes, I am happy the way that you turned out, especially in recent years. You're doing great at school. I'm so proud of you. He's so bad.
What's my favorite flavor of baby food?
Banana. Oh my gosh, you loved banana when you were a baby. The baby food. Banana was your favorite. I will never forget that, because I kind of like it too. I would sneak a little bit in my mouth every now and then. Hey, Mom, you're not in the shot.
Oh.
It's like you're running away from me. What the heck? Come closer.
What made me laugh the most when I was little?
You were so quiet and very on. You didn't express yourself that much. It was really creepy, but you were happy to sit in front of the TV. But you behaved very well when we went to the library. Yeah, you, compared to the others, you used to behave very well when we never had to ever get kicked out of the library with you, but we got kicked out with others because they wouldn't behave, they wouldn't sit still and read. So yeah.
Have you ever dropped me as a baby?
No, I don't usually. No, I hold you very well when you're a baby. The only thing is I don't give you a bath because I'm scared to drop you. That I always get scared, and I'm like really mortified to hold a baby while they're wet and slippery. So I never give you guys a bath till you're like 3-4 months ish. So yeah, never dropped a baby. Inshallah, we'll never do that.
How long were you in labor?
With you, I would say, because I remember I was actually in labor and I didn't even know I was in labor because I was just very irritated and very uncomfortable. I was trying to finish a paper because I was in college, and I was trying to finish a paper, and so I was very irritated. I kept like, I would get up, I would lay down, I was like doing everything and just was very uncomfortable and was trying to ignore the pain because I had that paper due that night. So my mom came home from work and I was telling her, and then she's like, "You're in labor." I'm like, "What? I'm not in labor." So the word labor just made me started to cry. I just started to cry when I heard labor. I couldn't believe that was happening to me. It all felt like a dream. So I think we went to the hospital around like 10 p.m. Around 10 p.m. And then they checked me. They're like, "Yeah, you're in labor." And the word labor just made me cry more. I feel like I was in so much pain. I was able to tolerate the pain, but every time I heard the word labor, I just would start crying. And then I was in labor all night. Oh my gosh, it was so long. You were the longest labor I ever had, and well, maybe my sister too. But anyway, and then I had you at like 5 a.m. So that's about what, like about 10 hours, I would say. Yeah, about 10 hours.
Overall, do you consider me as a good kid?
Can you get in the shot? You're a good kid. I'm very proud of you. Very, very proud of you. You make me repeat things nonstop. But overall, in general, just so you know, you're way better than a lot of kids out there. And I know that. I might not say it as much, but I appreciate you. I love you. I like how you are. I wouldn't have you any other way. Even though you make me repeat things. But I love you. Okay? Okay?
All right. What is my worst habit?
Your worst habit is making me repeat things over and over and over. Like, he would do things. MashaAllah, he's a good kid. He would do anything I ask him. But he never lets me say it once. But hopefully, as we grow, that changes, right? Right?
All right.
Right? You say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Look in there and say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Look at me and say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Look at me and say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Next question.
Right. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
How is it that's it? You don't have any more questions?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for your support. As always, be sure to
like,
comment, and
turn on post notifications.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
And act like you want to do this. All right. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.